All right, guys, now if you are struggling with erectile dysfunction or urine leakage, this is the exact morning routine I would start tomorrow to start fixing these issues. 3 things, that's what we're going through in today's video, and if you can do them consistently and stick with this program, I think it's gonna get you on that right path to solving a lot of these problems. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We have had an incredible 28,000 new subscribers join our community. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Eric, a doctor of physical therapy, and I help thousands of guys just like you get rock hard and leak free. Let's get into it. Guys, let's face it, life is chaotic. You're either hustling to provide for your family, you're juggling work obligations, or you're dealing with personal responsibilities that never seem to end. The second that alarm goes off, your brain automatically flips into work mode. You start thinking about meetings, deadlines, and that endless to-do list. It's like hitting the gas pedal on a car without properly warming up your engine first. It's not good for the car, and it's not good for you. But there's a better way to start your day. We need to be moving our body. Now that could look like a walk outside, a quick body weight, exercise circuit. That could be a weight session or a focused stretching session like a yoga or a Pilates class. Why? Because movement first thing in the morning helps you shift from that cortisol-fueled stress mode into a more productive and more balanced state. Instead of stress hormones taking over, you'll release feel-good chemicals. Now these hormones, they don't just boost your mood, they also improve blood flow, they lower your inflammation, and they set the tone for a more focused and confident day. And guys, it doesn't take hours. 25 minutes is all you need. Go on YouTube, search up a free bodyweight routine or a yoga routine, or head to the gym for a class and just commit to the process. It's about progress. One walk, one workout, one stretching session, stringing all those together, and you will be amazed at the results. But this only works if you combine it with step number 2, so let's keep going. All right, now after your morning movement, it is time to hydrate. And no, I do not just mean sipping on a coffee while you check through your emails. I'm talking about a big old glass of water, preferably with quality electrolyte powders mixed in. Now, why electrolytes? Well, your body loses essential minerals through sweat and even just repairing overnight. Replenishing them first thing in the morning is like recharging a battery. It gives your cells the power that they need to function properly, which includes improving your circulation, an absolute game changer for your erections, and ensuring your muscles, including your pelvic floor, work at their best. Now, let me tell you something else I see all the time with the men that I coach one-on-one online. Most of you aren't drinking enough water. You think that you are, but trust me, you are not. Proper hydration, gentlemen, is absolutely critical for maintaining healthy blood flow, which is essential for both your erections and your ability to fully empty your bladder. And guys, let's not forget, this isn't just about water. This is the perfect time of the day to take any supplements you're using, such as L-citrulline or L-arginine, to name a couple. Now these supplements, they can support better blood flow, but they only work if you are consistent with your routine in taking them. Remember, your body is like a sponge. If you don't hydrate first thing in the morning, it's going to stay dry and stiff all day. Start your day by hydrating with a big old glass of water, and you will feel more energized, you'll feel more alert, and you will feel ready to take on whatever life throws at you. All right, now step number 3, it's gonna bring everything full circle, giving you what I think is the perfect morning routine. It's the home run. All right, guys, the holiday season is almost here, and we all know what that means. A packed schedule of gift shopping, office parties, family gatherings, and everything in between. So with so much going on, it's easy to forget about taking care of yourself. And if, again, you're struggling with erectile dysfunction or any urinary issues, it's key that we're talking with medical professionals, and that's why I'm partnering with Amazon One Medical. They make managing your health simple and stress-free, especially for common concerns like ED and hair loss. Imagine heading into the holidays in the new year feeling confident and on top of your health. I want you to picture yourself finally addressing those nagging health concerns and starting the new year feeling like the best version of yourself. It's something that you will thank yourself for later. And the best part, you don't have to leave your house, sit in awkward waiting rooms, or make a trip to the pharmacy to fill your prescriptions. It's all done discreetly online from the comfort of your own home. Now, Amazon One Medical is designed to fit seamlessly into your busy life. It's affordable, it's convenient, with trusted providers available 24/7 and in many states, so that you can message a provider for help or have a virtual consultation with a provider to get to the root cause of your erectile dysfunction or your hair loss problem. Plus, they offer fast and free shipping, so if you do need medications, they arrive quickly and discreetly, packaged to protect your privacy. So if you are ready to take charge of your health this holiday season, if you are ready to get to the root cause of your erectile dysfunction, or you simply losing your hair, go on and click that link in the description and in the pinned comment below and select one of the health conditions you are looking for help with, and be connected with a qualified and trusted health professional over either video or messaging. Guys, for those of you that have been dealing with these issues for a long time, speaking with a qualified medical professional is absolutely an essential part of the process. You need to speak to a medical doctor about your situation for a tailored treatment plan on top of this daily routine. So please start your treatments today with Amazon One Medical. The links to get started are in the description and in the pinned comment below. Thank you so much, Amazon One Medical, for partnering with our channel. Back to the video. All right, guys, now this is where everything comes full circle. You've moved your body first thing in the morning, you've hydrated, and now it is time to activate your pelvic floor muscles. Think of this as your secret weapon in your morning routine. Now, if you are new to pelvic floor exercises, I've made an entire video showing you how to do Kegel exercises correctly, and I'm gonna pin it right here in this card, and I'll include it in the description below. The gist: contract your muscles that stop that flow of urine, or imagine lifting your nuts up to your guts. I like to start with 2 sets of 10 reps, either sitting down at breakfast or standing in the shower. It's really that simple. Now, why is this so important? Because your pelvic floor, the muscles in your pelvis, they form the foundation of your core. Now, a weak or overactive pelvic floor is often the root of problems like erectile dysfunction and urine leakage. Now, by activating these muscle groups first thing in the morning, you are priming those muscles to support you throughout your entire day. Now, if Kegels don't work for you, maybe because you have a tight pelvic floor, swap them for some targeted pelvic floor stretching. Just 3 minutes of stretching a day can make a world of difference. The key here, gentlemen, is consistency. You're not going to see results overnight, but over time, you will notice better control, fewer leaks, and stronger erections. I'll leave a link to my pelvic floor stretching routine right here and in the description below for you to check out. Now, this routine isn't just about fixing your symptom. It's about taking control of your health in a way that empowers you. Erectile dysfunction and urine leakage can be really tough to deal with, but you're not powerless. Now, with a holistic approach that combines physical movement, proper hydration, and pelvic floor activation, you can start to rebuild your confidence and your health. And remember, it's a journey. But if you commit to this routine, you start laying down that foundation for long-term success. You follow it every single day. It's 3 things, and then you make sure that you are booking on with Amazon One Medical to talk with a real-life health professional to get to the root cause of your problem. Thank you so much again to Amazon One Medical for partnering with our channel. They make it easy and discreet to help you for erectile dysfunction, hair loss, or other health concerns. Don't wait to take action. Click the link in the description to get started today. And also, make sure to honor the gentleman's agreement by subscribing and commenting gentleman's agreement below. And remember, regardless of your situation, keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.